Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to switch accounts on Roblox. So if you also want to switch accounts on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also simply open Roblox player on your computer, or you can also open Roblox on your mobile device. If you have opened the browser, all you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in roblox.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Roblox will be opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see several options over here. If you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to find a gear icon. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find several options over here. At second last, you'll be able to find the option for switch accounts. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. If you have added another account over here, that account will appear. All you have to do is click on the account that you want to switch to. After that, your account will be switched. So that is how you switch account in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.